YouTube, what's cracking, what's rolling? It's your boy Swipe Bike 813, and I'm back with another one for y'all. Yes, I'm back again with the white vans. I'm just playing. I would never wear no white vans. But you ever see me with some white vans? It's over with.
Damn, Daniel, back at it again with the white van.
Back again though with another video for y'all. We finna get into something today that I know a lot of people been in the comment sections on Facebook, YouTube, Insta, asking me about. A lot of people on the side of the road actually just been asking me about this right here. A lot of people think it's a helmet. It's just a helmet cover by Motoloop, and I'm about to unbox some more of them, which y'all gonna see in the next videos. Shouts to Motoloop, man. Doing they thug dizzy. Yes, sir. Oh, let me put it up here so y'all can see. Alright. Christmas time about to be lit, baby. When Christmas time roll around, we're gonna be letting off Roman candles while we catwalking. Santa Clausin'. You feel me? Oh man, I'm gonna miss riding with this one. I'm still ride with this one a lot though. This probably still gonna be my favorite one right here. I don't know why I put a hole in the top for the GoPro, and like I barely put the GoPro on top of my helmet. Anyways, we about to try on the new ones. Wait that man. Who does I call? Wait that man. When I think me they done, me not done up. Woo-hoo-hoo. For Christmas tree giveaway this year. Gonna be lit. When I pull up. Y'all can't wait to see me sliding in this, riding in this, gliding in this. I don't know how I feel about this one, honestly. To be real. It's not really giving Santa Claus for me. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this one. It's cool though. I'm definitely gonna rock it. During Christmas time and Christmas time only. I feel like these probably look better on regular motorcycle helmets. And I got an MX helmet. I actually just took the visor off specifically so I could put these on. Yes, sir. This one's hard. This one's hard as well. This one's dope. Honestly, I forget what character this is. I really forget what character this is. Who is this? If anybody remembers who this is, I know him from somewhere. I just don't know who is this. Somebody leave it in the comment section. Y'all know who this is. I forget who this is, man. What's his name? And what cartoon is he from? Like, Leave it in the comment section. Who this? I like this one though. This one's pretty dope. I really like this one. Definitely gonna rock this one a lot. Yes, I could see me catwalking with this. Yo, this remind me of somebody. He know who he is. Hold on. This one right here, this one for my dog Steve's. I'm the real alien, bro. Not you. I'm the real alien out here. This is my dog Steve's. Hold on. His ass gonna be mad. Like, bro, we ain't got an alien. Knowing I'm the alien? Nah, homie, I'm the alien now. You know what I mean? Yo, this one right here is so steezy. I ain't even gonna lie. If my boy Steezy rode bikes, I would have gifted this to him. We call him Alien Steez. That's funny. I can see me sliding this one. Shit, this probably my favorite one. Yeah, this probably my favorite one. I don't know, pretty dope right there. But everything I got today is from Motoloop. I paid about $100 for all three of those together. It's kind of taxing a little bit, honestly. But Motoloop, shout out to Motoloop. Shout out to Chris from Motoloop. And now we're gonna get out and ride one. I don't know which one I should put on, which one I should ride with first. I don't know, man. I don't know. Leave in the comment section which one y'all think I should ride with next, actually. I was gonna get out and ride right now. But actually, I don't know. Which one should I put on next before I go out? I don't know. Y'all leave it in the comment section. Let me know. It's your boy Swipe Bike 813. Like, subscribe, share. Please click that bell.